Stargazing has been a timeless pursuit for humanity, inspiring wonder, curiosity, and a sense of connection to the vast cosmos above. Among the myriad wonders of the night sky, constellations stand out as patterns of stars that have been recognized and named by various cultures throughout history. These celestial formations serve as guideposts for navigating the heavens and have been instrumental in storytelling, calendar making, and navigation for centuries. For beginners embarking on the journey of understanding the night sky, exploring constellations is an excellent starting point. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of constellations, unraveling their history, significance, and practical tips for observation. Historical perspectives, ancient origins. The origins of constellation naming can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as the Mesopotamians, Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese. These early cultures observed the night sky and developed intricate mythologies and stories around the patterns they perceived among the stars. For example, the Greeks named the constellation Orion after a legendary hunter, while the Chinese recognized it as part of the Azure Dragon constellation. Ptolemy and the Constellation Catalogue. The Greek astronomer Ptolemy, in the 2nd century CE, compiled a comprehensive catalogue of 48 constellations known as the Almagest. This work served as a foundational text for Western astronomy and laid the groundwork for subsequent studies of the night sky. Modern constellations. In 1922, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, officially recognized 88 modern constellations, dividing the entire celestial sphere into distinct regions. These constellations encompass a diverse range of cultural influences and mythologies, reflecting the global nature of astronomical observations. Understanding constellations. Celestial coordinates. Constellations are not random groupings of stars. They are defined within a precise framework of celestial coordinates, allowing astronomers to locate them accurately in the night sky. Imagine the celestial sphere as an imaginary dome surrounding the Earth, onto which the stars are projected. Similar to how latitude and longitude divide Earth's surface, the celestial sphere is divided into two primary coordinates: declination and right ascension. Declination. This is akin to Earth's latitude and measures the angular distance of a star above or below the celestial equator, which is an extension of Earth's equator onto the celestial sphere. Declination is measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds, with positive values representing stars north of the celestial equator and negative values representing stars south of it. Right ascension. This is analogous to Earth's longitude and measures the eastward angular distance of a star from the vernal equinox along the celestial equator. Right ascension is measured in hours, minutes, and seconds, with 24 hours completing a full circle around the celestial sphere. These celestial coordinates provide astronomers with a standardized system for cataloging and locating celestial objects, including constellations, with precision. Brightness and magnitude. Stars within constellations exhibit varying levels of brightness, which astronomers quantify using the magnitude scale. The magnitude scale is logarithmic, meaning each step represents a difference in brightness by a factor of approximately 2.5. The lower the magnitude number, the brighter the star appears to an observer on Earth. Apparent magnitude. This measures how bright a star appears from Earth's perspective. The brightest stars visible to the naked eye typically have low apparent magnitudes, while fainter stars have higher apparent magnitudes. Absolute magnitude. This measures the intrinsic brightness of a star, independent of its distance from Earth. Absolute magnitude provides a standard measure of a star's true brightness, facilitating comparisons between stars. The brightest stars within a constellation often serve as anchor points for identifying the overall pattern. For example, in the constellation Orion, the 3 stars forming Orion's belt are prominent and aid in locating other stars within the constellation. Asterisms versus constellations. Asterisms and constellations are related but distinct concepts in astronomy. Constellations. These are officially recognized patterns of stars delineated by the International Astronomical Union, IAU. Constellations often encompass multiple stars and may be associated with specific mythological or cultural narratives. Asterisms. These are informal groupings of stars that form recognizable shapes or patterns, but may not correspond to official constellation boundaries. Asterisms are often culturally significant and may vary across different societies. For example, the Big Dipper is an asterism within the constellation Ursa Major, while the Summer Triangle is an asterism formed by 3 bright stars from different constellations. While constellations have formal boundaries and are recognized by the astronomical community, asterisms are more fluid and can vary based on cultural interpretations. Notable constellations explored. Orion, known as the Hunter, is arguably one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky. Its prominent pattern, marked by the 3 stars of Orion's belt, Alnitak, Alnilam, and Mintaka, makes it easily identifiable even for beginners. Additionally, Orion is adorned with other bright stars, including Rigel, Orion's foot, and Betelgeuse, Orion's shoulder, contributing to its striking appearance. Beyond its visual appeal, Orion holds astronomical significance. The Orion Nebula, located within Orion's sword, is a stellar nursery where new stars are born. Visible to the naked eye under dark skies and a spectacular sight through binoculars or telescopes, the Orion Nebula serves as a reminder of the dynamic processes shaping the cosmos. Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Ursa Major and Ursa Minor, commonly known as the Big Bear and the Little Bear respectively, are 2 prominent constellations in the northern hemisphere sky. Ursa Major. This constellation hosts one of the most famous asterisms, the Big Dipper or the Plough. Comprising 7 bright stars, the Big Dipper's distinctive shape resembles a large ladle or a wagon, depending on cultural interpretations. Notably, the 2 stars at the outer edge of the Big Dipper's bowl, Dubi and Merak, point toward Polaris, the North Star, aiding navigation. Ursa Minor. This constellation contains the Little Dipper, another well-known asterism. The Little Dipper is anchored by Polaris, the North Star, which lies at the end of its handle. Polaris serves as a convenient reference point for finding true north, making Ursa Minor essential for navigation. Both Ursa Major and Ursa Minor have played significant roles in various cultural mythologies and are visible year-round in the Northern Hemisphere. Cassiopeia, named after the queen in Greek mythology, is characterized by its distinctive W or M shape, depending on its orientation in the sky. This easily recognizable asterism is formed by 5 bright stars, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, and Epsilon Cassiopeia, arranged in a distinctive pattern. Located near the celestial pole, Cassiopeia appears circumpolar in the northern hemisphere, meaning it remains visible throughout the year and completes a full circle around the North Star Polaris. As a result, Cassiopeia is often used as a reference point for locating other constellations and celestial objects. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos, exploring the fascinating world of constellations for beginners. From understanding celestial coordinates to discovering notable constellations like Orion, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, and Cassiopeia, we've delved into the rich tapestry of stars that adorn our night sky. Remember, whether you're gazing up at the stars from a dark sky location, using stellar apps to navigate the heavens, or observing through binoculars and telescopes, the universe offers endless wonders to explore. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more celestial adventures. And be sure to leave a comment below sharing your favorite constellation or stargazing experience. Until next time, keep looking up, and may the cosmos continue to inspire wonder and curiosity in your journey through life. Happy stargazing!